Now, let me consider the merits or achievement of Mendeleev's periodic table. The first one is he left some gap in his periodic table for unknown elements which yet to be discovered. That means those elements which were unknown at the time of Mendeleev, he left some gap for those elements. He used eka prefix for these unknown elements. Use eka prefix for these elements. For example, eka aluminium for gallium, eka silicon for germanium, eka boron for scandium. Here in the table, if we consider that scandium, this were unknown, so he plays eka aluminium, sorry, eka boron, the element which is placed above. He used eka prefix before the name of that. Eka scandium, eka boron for scandium. Similarly, germanium was unknown, so he used eka silicon. Use eka silicon. Similarly, gallium was unknown. He used eka aluminium for that. Eka boron for scandium and eka aluminium for germanium. Okay. This prediction, that means his prediction about the unknown elements motivated the discovery of more elements. Motivated the discovery of more elements. Got it? Now, the second achievement or merits of his periodic table. He also predict the properties of unknown elements which were proved later. When the elements were discovered, then the properties was same as the Mendeleev described earlier. For example, he proposed the properties of eka aluminium. After the discovery of gallium, these properties were same as he proposed for eka aluminium. For example, he proposed that atomic mass should be 68, and when it is discovered that it was 69.7, which is same, almost same. He proposed that oxide will be R2O3 type, and when discovered that is Ga2O3 type. Chloride, he proposed that the chloride will be RCl3, and when the gallium is discovered then its chloride was GaCl3. So he predicted the properties. Third one, at the time of Mendeleev periodic table, noble gases helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these were these were undiscovered. These were undiscovered. That means that was unknown. When sorry when they were discovered, they easily placed separately in a new group, that is called zero group, without affecting the existing order of the table. That was also a achievement. If a newly discovered group or elements can easily place, then it will be considered as a achievement of that classification. The fourth was, at some places he reversed or broke the increasing order of atomic masses. That means in some places he could not follow his own rule. Why? He did it because so that the elements of the similar properties should comes together. It means he gave more priority to chemical properties rather than increasing order of atomic masses. For example, he proposed as for sorry the cobalt, which is atomic mass is 58.93, is placed before nickel. Is placed before nickel. As it is clear that cobalt is heavier, so it should place after the nickel, but he placed before it so that the similar property elements of the similar properties comes together. Similarly, tellurium, which is atomic weight is 127.6, is placed before Id. Placed before ID. He did it so that the elements of the same properties comes together. Hope you like it. About the limitations and drawback of the demerits of the Medley periodic table, we will discuss in next class. Thank you.